Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by placing your subject on a stable surface and moving the iPhone slowly toward it. You want the lens to enter the macro focal range. Once close, open the camera app and choose Photo, or Macro if your model shows it automatically. Make sure flash is off so lighting is consistent and tap to set exposure and focus. Hold until AE/AF lock appears. This gives you steady control and avoids the camera refocusing while you prepare the next steps. You now refine composition and lighting. Move the phone in tiny increments to frame the subject precisely, aiming for roughly 1 to 3 centimeters distance depending on the lens. Use continuous LED light or a diffused lamp to reveal texture. This prevents blown highlights and keeps color natural. Once you see focus lock, make micro adjustments with your body rather than the phone. This reduces hunting. If depth of field is shallow, angle the phone slightly to increase perceived. You finish by taking multiple frames using the volume button or a remote to reduce shake. Burst a few shots while varying exposure slightly because tiny shifts change the result. Once done, inspect at full zoom to confirm sharpness and color. If underexposed, raise exposure compensation and retake. If focus is soft, clean the lens, add diffused light, or back up a few millimeters. This often restores focus. If images still fail, restart the camera app and repeat the quick setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.